Guten Morgen, German class! Today we're going to learn about two-way prepositions. Let's start with a pop quiz. Which of these pictures shows students walking in the bus? It's a trick question. Both A and B show students walking in a bus. However, in German, there's a difference to differentiate this ambiguity, and that is portrayed in the dative or accusative case. Dative accusative prepositions trigger the accusative case when they are associated with action, movement, or a change of state, while these same prepositions trigger the dative case when indicating something stationary. Here is a visual example of the sentence, Sie geht in den Bus. Notice that dem indicates the dative case. What do you expect to see? You saw a girl walking within or inside of a bus. Now let's see what happens if we replace the dative dem with the accusative den. Geht in den Bus. What do you expect to see? That's right, you saw a boy walking into a bus from the outside. There are 9 prepositions, like in, that can trigger either the dative or the accusative case, depending on the situations they describe. These two-way prepositions are über, unter, vor, hinter, auf, an, in, neben, and zwischen. One way to remember these 9 prepositions would be to place them in their respective positions around the number 9, as you see in this image. So über goes over the 9, unter is under the 9, zwischen is between the 9, etc. In short, there are 3 things you need to consider in order to use two-way prepositions correctly. First, you have to identify the two-way preposition. Next, you need to consider the situation. Is the subject experiencing a change of state, or is it remaining stationary? Finally, apply the proper case in the sentence. Now it's your turn. I am going to show a brief clip of boys jumping in the water. Think about whether you would use the dative or the accusative case to describe them. That's right, you would use the accusative case. Die Jungs springen in das Wasser would be the correct way to describe what is happening in the clip. So now you know how to use two-way prepositions correctly. If you have any questions, check out my Google site under Miss Evelyn's German class.